In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a group chat on Instagram. So if you're added to a random group chat on Instagram and this irritates you, you can easily leave the group chat conveniently. So if you enjoyed this video, you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So when you want to leave a group chat on Instagram, the first thing you want to do is open the Instagram application on your phone. You can do this on Android and you can do this on iPhone. So once the Instagram application is opened, now you want to click on the conversation icon at the top right. Locate the group chat you want to leave here. So let's say this is the group chat that I want to leave. You need to search through this to make sure it's actually a group chat. Now you can see this. Open it. Then click on the group chat name. While on this page, click on the leave button. Then tap leave chat from the pop-up. Then there you go. You can see the group chat is deleted and it's no longer available on your list. So this is how you can easily leave a group chat on Instagram. If this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.